Despite its heartaches, the pandemic also reveals how a more equal future is possible. Increases to New Start and Youth Allowance and the JobKeeper wage subsidy scheme are currently lifting thousands of people out of poverty. Governments are moving to freeze evictions and to find homes for those experiencing homelessness. These schemes leave many people behind, but they also reveal something important about the crisis. Because COVID is a health issue, it demands a health response that prioritises people's needs. So what happens when this is all over? Do we return people to poverty and homelessness? Or do we look for more lasting solutions? COVID challenges our understanding of government. Decades of rising inequality reflect the belief that there is no alternative. But what's happening right now suggests that inequality is a choice, and maybe that realisation will mean we make more equal and different choices in the future.